Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be talking about exceptions in Python. I'm going to try to explain you in a very simple way about exception. So let's get started. So first of all, for this example I'm going to use a simple example of file. So if I say f is equal to open, right, I'm going to open any file which does not exist theoretically. So now if I say of course f dot read, so my program will crash and I get an error. So in order to not crash our program and to handle exceptions in Python, we can use a try block, something like this, right? And we can say pass. Here you can see. So now if you see, there is no errors. We can also print a message when there is an error. So if you say print message, so here you can see we have a nice message known as error. But we want to be very specific. This file does not exist, right? So we should say file not found error instead of this, right? So now if I do this, and still we haven't catch that off, so we have to say as e, and instead of error we're gonna type e. Now if I run it, so sure enough here you see file not found error was handled correctly. So now what I can do is basically if I say var 22, or if I just write anything stupid which is not Python, right? So my this file not found error won't catch it properly. So I can also write a generalized exception, so which will take care of so exception something went wrong. So the generalized exception will take care of all of the other errors that occurs in your program. So now just removing it quickly. Now I want to show you something about the else block. So I do have a file known as sample.txt. So quickly. So if that file exists, then I can say, so what else block does is it only executes when the try block condition is true. If the try block fails, the else block won't be executed. So let's see that in action. Hello, I wrote this. So this is there inside my sample.txt. Here you can see sample. Hello, I wrote this sample.txt. Now if I just change this to something stupid, so here you can see our exception is being caught with the file not found error. Beautiful, that's what we wanted. Alright, and now I want to show you something known as finally. Alright, so let's try run it. So here you see the condition was true, the finally block was executed. So the try block was true, that means the file existed, and the else block was executed and the finally was executed. Let's see if I change something, if the try block fails, will the finally block execute? Let's see that. Still yes. So what do we conclude, guys, from this is whenever your try or your try block may or may not be true, finally block is always going to execute. So in what case you're going to use this finally block? So in case of a database connection where you want to release the connection, you want to close the connection to the database. So in the finally you were going to write this. Now I know somebody might be telling me that, hey, why didn't you write this inside the try block? Yeah, you can do that, but I just wanted to show you the else part as well. So if you do this, this is also totally valid. Of course, let me just because there is nothing inside this block, so gotta write something at least, right? So here you see finally block was executed, right? So this else block was not executed because this name does not exist. So now if I say sample, and now if I run, so here you see the else block is executed, the final is executed, and the try block. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have got a good idea on try block exception handling in Python. If so, do give a like. Have questions, you can post them in the comment section, and I would be very happy to answer all of them. If you have any queries, or if you want certain videos, you can request the videos by letting me know in the by letting a request in the comment section below, so I can read it and make contents based on that. So thank you for watching, and hope you guys have enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next video.